In this video I'm going to show you how to add a web page shortcut on the home screen like that. If I tap here on that icon, I'll open up Google search on my Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up your Safari browser and there open up here desired web page. Let it be apple.com for example. You may enter here any address that you want, and next what you're gonna do, you need to tap here on that share button and then scroll down until you find add to home screen. Right there, tap on that. Here you can change the name of that shortcut. Tap on that, delete some text or add some text here. I'll write the Apple shortcut and then just tap here on add, and now new icon here was appeared. It names Apple shortcut, and if I tap on that, I just open apple.com. That's how it works. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.